Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I thought I was going to show you guys a little sneak peek of my new journal that I'm making. So this journal is very different from the other journals I've made in the past. I usually use little golden books to make my journals. But this one I made from scratch using, I made the actual book from some cardboard. Actually, it was a box that I received in the mail. So many of you have already seen that I put a door on there. It's magnetized so it doesn't flop open. But I want to show you a little sneak peek of some of the things that are inside of the book. So I ended up sewing in 3 signatures. So the book is quite large. So it's going to take me a while to actually finish the book. And I didn't want to rush just for purposes of showing what I did online. So I just thought on YouTube. So I just thought I'd just show a quick sneak peek. So I did a lot of fussy cutting with this book, this new book that I'm making. And so this is just some stuff that I fussy cut out. This is fussy cut and I left it a little bit open so you could tuck something in it, as well as, let's see, get it in the frame, as this, you know, you can tuck a note in here or something. And then this page here, it is a flip envelope. The envelope flips open and then I have a little card inside. And I think I'm going to put something here too, just for a surprise. So when you flip it over, there's also something else to look at here. Hey, this is stuck. Come here, you. Okay. So I did some fussy cutting here as well. And I actually glued this down before I really thought the process out. But this says there are always flowers for those who want to see them. So then I fussy cut these orchids out and I put them over there. And then that's just a tuck spot. And then I made this using my Cricut. It's a little bird bath, and this is a little card, and it says, put a little birdhouse in your soul. Too bad it didn't say put a little bird bath in your soul. And then I have this page that I bought these papers off of Etsy, and then when I got it, I sewed lines on it. And I put a little book over here in the corner. I don't know if you can see it, but I glued a little book over here, and the book actually opens and has pages. And then I made this library just using cardboard, or brown cardstock. Actually made it to look like a shelf, and then distress and ink the edges, and then I just cut paper out for my paper collections, and I just made them look like books. And then if you pull this out here on the side, it's a little library card. And I think I got this from the, I'm gonna forget now. It'll come to me, but it was from an ephemera pack that I had. And this also has a pocket here. And this is a phone I made. And that was my original idea, to come up with a phone. Not that no one's ever made a phone before, but, and then I made these Rolodex cards to write little things on it, and I just stuck it in here. And I also have more Rolodex cards in the pocket. So I thought that was cute. I wish I could make a one of those cascading waterfalls where I just pull it and then the Rolodexes would flip, but I'm not there mentally. I can't figure that out. And this is also a pocket, and then there's a pocket here, and then this is a flip out. So that flips out. And then this here is just, I really didn't like this paper that was down here. So I covered it with this other kind of textured paper right here. But then I made this little book with a little pocket here. Simple Stories, that's the name of the ephemera pack. And then this has a couple of pages in it. Oh, the sunlight is helping or hurting this video. But I just did that, and then I received this in one of those junk journal scoops, and it had a owl on it, and I just put a butterfly over the owl to make it match more of the theme. And then this is just a little tuck spot, the little birdhouse in the bottom there. And then I just made a little book, and I also got this from one of those confetti scoops. And in here is some music, and you can also write on the back of this or use it to stick things on or whatever you want to do with it. And then this also has a pocket. And then this is another one of those sewn pages. And then I added some vellum papers in here just to change it up and not make everything the same, like everything cardstock. Okay, this is that mailbox that I may have shown. And these all come out of the top. This piece of mail does come out. And I also have some mail in the pocket right here. And inside of that is just things you can write on. And I also stuck some other things in here. Let's see. Yeah, I stuck some of these postcards in there. Okay, this is just a little tuck spot. I just fussy cut this out of the paper that I received. And I just shoved that in there. Kind of keeping with, like, you know, just a cottage theme. You know, what would you find at a cottage? You'd find some birds. Okay, and then the one thing I think I did make a mistake is my paper is too busy. But you keep making journals and you keep learning and growing and developing your style. So right now I'm pulling from a lot of different people, and I'm starting to find my own style and things I like to do. So I do love this lined paper with the sewing. So this was the oven that I made, and I put a paper clip on the back of it. So it's in a little tuck spot, and I just put the word right here, blessed. I fussy cut all this out, and then I was so proud of myself that I used my X-Acto knife, and I'm getting pretty good at using the X-Acto knife. And this might be something you'd find in a cottage. A little table and a chair and a book, and, you know, something you might do in a cottage is you might read. And then I put this up on puffy tape because I wanted it to be dimensional. And then this over here is just a little tuck spot I used with a tag. I added this netting that I got from Carrie, a Double Click Connect, and more ephemera that I got from those scoops. And then this is an idea I got from my friend Dream with Caroline up there in Canada. She made something similar to this effect, and so I copied her. Hi, Caroline. Like I said, I think the more you do these things, the more you get original ideas. You know, when you first kind of do these things, you borrow a lot from other people. So then this right here, what I was trying to do was make different sizes of paper and not make everything so uniform. So, you know, this paper kind of stopped short. Now here I have a little clock, and it's on a magnet, and it flips up so it can just hold something you want to put in here. So for now, I just put the Simple Stories ephemera in here, but this may change. Oh yeah, I made this, so let me pull this down. So I made this, over a year ago, but I thought it matched my book. And it also has a pocket right here. So I just stuck it in the pocket at the top of this page. And then I made this little cabinet using a pattern that I got off of Etsy. And yeah, it's just a little cabinet. To me, it looks like a wardrobe, so I'm going to try and make a little dress, origami dress, and I'm going to put it on this side. We'll see how that turns out. A lot of my pages have either pockets at the top or pockets on the side. So again, this is the other side of, like, you know, just different sizes of paper. And this has a pocket at the top, like the other one that I showed you. This is my wishing well, where there is a bucket in here with flowers. So I just keep that tucked under there and hidden away. Just hide. And then I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do with this bike page. I did make this. I got this out of the confetti that I bought. So I bought these confetti scoops for junk journals, and I am really challenging myself to use it. So this is a flip up and a flip down, and it says, it's hard to see, but it says faith, hope, and charity. Okay, and then they have little tags that come in and out. So it's kind of hard to see because they're kind of all in the same color family, but I like it. And I thought this bird was like the perfect thing for the front. Okay, I made this little pocket here, stuck some mail in there, added this. This was from another scoop that I bought. So just trying to use the things that I bought. And now this one I'm proud of because I fussy cut this out using my X-Acto knife to get all of these areas out of the photo. And I just filled it with, so it's a pocket, but it's a little more elaborate pocket. This is just a tuck spot. I'm thinking about it. I think I'm gonna round this corner here. And then, I don't know what I'm gonna put in there. Okay, this I really love. This I made just using the papers that I had. This paper here is this vellum I got from my friend Heather. And it's also a pocket, so you can stick things in there. Oh, it's hard to see, sorry. Stick things in here. And then I fussy cut this cat out. And I fussy cut this so it's like double layered. So it's dimensional. And I put the kitty on there, and I thought that was really cute. And then I have more paper. This one I thought was cute, but I don't know if this looks like a towel. This is supposed to be a towel, not a curtain. And then this is a tub that I cut out using my Cricut. And these are pieces that I fussy cut and then added manila folder to the back. So a little mirror, and then a little perfume bottle. Thought that was cute. Okay, just a little flip tag. I thought that was clever. I put some vellum in there, or some acetate, and then stuck a butterfly sticker on there. And then I realized there's really no place to write. You know, you make these books and you figure things out. You make mistakes along the way, but it's okay. And I stuck this in that one. Little place to write. Just stick it back in here. Starting to put lace edges and material edges on things. And I think this is coming to the end of the book. These are my my jars. They all have pockets in the back. Set them on the shelf. And then this door here, I'm still trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with it. So that's all I have for now, guys. I have a lot more ideas that I'm going to add to this book, but I just wanted to share with you guys where I'm at now. Hope everybody is having a great day. Take care. Bye.